In this video, I prepared for you 3 best entries for swing trading. You will learn the safest places to buy and sell the market from, best swing trading time frame, and the most accurate swing trading setups. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Best swing trading setup number 1. Swing trading after a confirmed trend reversal. It can be a violation of a bearish trend and the start of a new bullish trend. Take a look at the price action on WTI crude oil. We can see that on a daily time frame, the market was steadily falling within this falling parallel channel, and you can see that here clearly the market was bearish. Then we see the change of sentiment. You can see that the market started to reverse and we got a confirmed violation of the resistance of the channel. In such a case, the trend reversal is confirmed. The trend is no more bearish. The trend is now bullish. If you spotted the start of a new bullish trend after a confirmed bearish trend violation, your best entry point will be the closest key daily structure support. After confirmation of a trend reversal, after the violation of the resistance of the channel, the broken resistance of the channel and this horizontal structure give us a very perfect zone, very perfect support from where we can look for swing buying. Learn how to swing trade in my trading academy. Watch how I swing trade live on private daily live streams. For more info, check the link in the description below. That is the perfect area from where we can open a swing long trade and anticipate growth and bullish continuation. Alternatively, it can be a bullish trend violation and the initiation of a new bearish trend. Now let's study the price action on a dollar CAD pair on a daily. We can see that here the market was growing rapidly. The market was growing within a rising parallel channel, and within this rising parallel channel we got a clear, strong bullish trend. Then we got the violation of the support of the channel, and with the violation of that, not only we confirmed the violation of this bullish trend, but we also confirmed the start of a new bearish trend. In such a case, your best zone for entries will be the closest key daily structure resistance. After the breakout of the support of the channel, the broken support of the channel and this broken horizontal structure turned into a very significant resistance cluster. The area from where we could look for shorting the market, the area from where it would be the safest zone to swing short the market from expecting a bearish trend continuation. Best swing trading entry number 2. Swing trading with the trend after a pullback. In a bullish trend, you should wait for a completion of a bullish movement. Then you should wait for a pullback, and your best zone for opening a swing trade will be the completion of this pullback. Let me share with you a nice swing trading setup that we spotted with my students on Aussie CAD pair. Analyzing the daily time frame, we see a strong bullish trend, and after the market set a new higher high, the market started a correctional movement, a pullback. And your best swing entry to buy the market is after a completion of this pullback. The best zone for opening a swing long trade will be the closest key daily structure support. Support and resistance analysis can help you to easily predict a potential point where the correction, the pullback, will be completed. Analyzing the historical price action, we can spot a significant horizontal structure support here. And that support is the best and the safest zone to buy the pair from, anticipating a strong bullish continuation from that area. In a bearish trend, you should patiently wait till the price completes a bearish impulse. Then you should wait for a correctional movement, for a local bullish correctional movement, and your best entry to swing short the market will be the completion of this correction. Let's examine the price movement on dollar Swiss on a daily. We can see that the market is trading in a strong bearish trend here, and after the market set a new lower low, a correctional movement started. And your best zone to sell the market from, your best zone to open a swing short will be after a completion of this correctional movement. In such a case, your best zone for swing sell will be the closest key daily structure resistance. If we analyze the historical price action, we can spot that this correctional movement completed once the market reached this historic structure, this historic resistance. That historic resistance could have been a very safe area to sell the market from. Best swing trading entry number 3. Swing trading after a key level breakout. Bearish violation of a key daily structure support is a very strong signal for selling the market. Look how the price acts on New Zealand dollar pair on a daily. We can see a confirmed breakout of a key daily structure support. We got a very significant support here that was broken. And the violation of a key daily support is a very important event. It is the significant sign of strength of the sellers that indicates a highly probable bearish continuation. In such a situation, your best entry will be the retest of a broken structure. After a breakout, the key support turns into resistance, and that resistance will be a very safe zone to sell the market from. Bullish breakout of a key daily resistance is a very reliable signal to buy, and that setup we spotted earlier with my students. Here on dollar Swiss pair, we can see a confirmed breakout of a key daily structure resistance. The violation of a key daily resistance is a very important event that signifies the strength of the buyers, and it indicates a highly probable bullish continuation. After a breakout, we will assume that the broken resistance turns into support, and it will be the best area for swing long. After the breakout, the broken resistance turns into support, into the area from where we can look for swing buying the market. The entry zones that we discussed will provide the safest swing trading opportunities. Learn to combine this knowledge with your trading strategy. It will help you to dramatically increase the profitability of your swing trading strategy. Watch how I swing trade live in my trading academy. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.